Only 12? Where are the others? Okay. Okay, let's start. Hello and welcome to workshop for tag 8. Our agenda today. We are going to talk about understanding thinking skills. So by the end of this module, you will be able to identify and define thinking skills, examine why thinking skills should be developed. The second part of this session, CPD, Continuous Professional Development. And we are gonna talk about sound or phoneme definition, the sounds of English or the sounds that are in English, such as consonants, vowels, and the vowels are divided into monophthong, diphthong, semivowels, and so on. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the understanding thinking skills. Okay. Here, the very famous activity that you can use at the first day or in the first day of any course. Again, here, the very famous activity that you can use in the first day of any course. So the name of activity is find someone who. So what you actually need to do in this activity is basically walk around the room, okay, or the classroom, asking other participants if they have recently done any of the action in the table, solved a puzzle or crossword, categorized things into groups or lists, written a report, told someone why they did something, okay, and so on. So you have just walked around and asked your participants. And then here in the table, write the name of the one who has done this action in a correct box in the table. Okay, so you will ask, and then if someone has already done this activity, you should write his name in the table in the correct box in the table. Okay, so for example, you can ask them, have you ever solved a puzzle or crossword? Have you ever given someone directions? So, for example, if Ahmed said yes, so write the name of Ahmed here under solved a puzzle or crossword until you complete the whole table, if possible. And as you know, all of these actions are thinking skills. Solve a puzzle or crossword, written a report, organized a group of people to complete a task, giving someone directions, explain a process to someone. All of these are thinking skills. Okay, so that's the first activity. Okay, over here we have different things. Over here we have different things that we actually do in our life, and I want to categorize them in the right place in this. Okay, so we have some different things that we actually do in our life, okay, and we want to classify or categorize these things under or in this table, under thinking skills, under knowledge, practical skills. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to do this activity. Okay, again, these things or these different things we want to categorize or classify under practical skills, knowledge, or thinking skills. So write these things under the thinking skills or knowledge or practical skills in this table. Okay, you have 5 minutes to do this activity. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask. Again, we want to classify these things under practical skills, knowledge, or thinking skills.
periodic table دي اللي هي تايم تيبل ولا ايه؟
Yes,
مستر
yes, periodic table. Okay, related to science.
periodic table
Related to science. Okay, اللي هو الجدول الدوري. Such as iron, the symbols of some symbols in the chemistry. الجدول الدوري في العلوم.
يبقى knowledge.
Yes. Yes. We will discuss this.
Okay.
Okay, have you finished? Have you finished? Okay, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Who can answer the first one? Read and answer.
The name of poet, knowledge.
Who's speaking?
منى حنيش.
Okay, Miss Mona. Okay, Miss Mona, go ahead.
Number 1 تبقى knowledge.
Yes.
Knowledge.
The name of poet.
The name of capital city.
Okay, okay, thank you. The name of
Knowledge.
poet is a knowledge. Okay, the name of poet is a knowledge. Another one. Another one.
Yes,
The name
Mr.
of
Okay,
The name
who's speaking?
is Amani.
Aman, yes.
The names of capital cities. Knowledge.
Yes, knowledge. Another one.
Knowledge.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Miss Asma.
Yes, making decisions about about which capital city to visit, thinking,
Yeah, thinking skills. Yeah.
thinking skills.
Yes. Another one. Okay,
The periodic table
another one.
knowledge.
Who
The
is-
periodic table knowledge.
Yeah, Miss Asma.
Yes.
Knowledge, periodic table. Okay, related to
Yes.
science. Yes, he means
Playing the piano.
he
Playing
means.
the piano. Practical skills.
Please,
Playing football.
yeah, raise your hand.
Practical skills.
Yes, Miss Amani. Playing the piano.
Yes.
Practical. Yeah, practical skills. Yes. Another one.
Playing football. Playing football.
Miss Ines.
Practical skills.
Yes. Practical
Yes.
skills.
Playing
Okay.
football. Yes. Also practical skills.
Yes. Another one.
Making a word curving, thinking skills.
A wood carving. Thinking.
Where
No.
thinking.
Practical.
Yes.
No,
Practical. Yeah. Practical.
Practical skills.
Yeah. Practical. Practical.
Practical. So, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
analyzing.
Data collecting in a survey. Thinking skills.
Analyzing data and collected in a survey. Yeah. Thinking skills. Another one.
Yes.
Yes.
painting a portrait.
Miss Zainab.
Practical. أيوة. Painting a portrait. Practical skills.
Organizing information. Organizing information about historical.
ما شفتهاش معلش.
Knowledge.
Organizing
knowledge.
information.
Knowledge or thinking? Knowledge or thinking?
Thinking.
Yes, thinking skills.
Thinking
Thinking.
skills.
Yeah, thinking skills. Okay.
Thinking skills.
Another
Which
one.
one?
Okay.
Another one.
Painting a portrait.
Yes.
Practical skills.
Okay. Practical skills. Okay, Miss Mona. Miss Mona.
Baking a cake, practical.
No.
اللي بعد
Before fixing
Fixing a puncture.
a picture. Yes.
ديت practical.
Yes. Practical. A practical skill.
What's the meaning of the puncture?
A hole.
Puncture.
Hole. Hole.
Oh,
Fixing
Yes.
a hole. Okay.
Puncture. What
Baking
Hole.
does it mean?
Hole. Hole.
Hole.
ثقب in Arabic.
baking a cake. Practical.
Yes. Baking
Practical
cake.
skills.
Practical.
Baking a cake.
Yes.
Solving math problems. Thinking skills.
Thinking skills.
Yeah, thinking skills. Yes.
important detail, knowledge.
History. Yes. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Yes. The 4 times table.
I think knowledge.
Yes, it's a knowledge. 4 times the table means in Arabic. 4 times table. Multiply.
جدول الأربعة.
Yes. جدول الضرب.
جدول الأربعة.
جدول ضرب. جدول ضرب 4. Okay. Multiplication. Okay. What a graph looks like.
Thinking.
Knowledge.
It's the knowledge. What a graph looks like. Okay. Okay. Okay, these are the answers in the table. Okay. Okay. Next, defining thinking skills. Okay. Based on what we did, we have 3 different terms. Again, based on what we did, we have three different terms: thinking skill, knowledge, and practical skills. So
حلوة.
think about the definitions of each term. Okay, think about the definitions of each term. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to do this. Have you finished?
هي صعبة أصلا يعني الحاجات دي.
Okay, let's check your answers. Thinking skills. Thinking skills. The skills that related to what?
Mind.
Yes. Mental process. Yes. So thinking skills is a mental process. So, okay, knowledge. What about knowledge?
فكرة data
Yes.
or information.
Yes, information that we get, that we learn.
Information.
Okay. Practical skills. What are practical skills? What do you mean by practical skills? The skills that need what? The skills that
thinking
need what?
and knowledge.
Need what?
Need thinking skills and
Body
knowledge.
skills
Yes,
with our
physical
parts of body.
physical skills. Yes, it's a physical.
Physical.
Okay. Okay. So let's move to the definitions. Okay. So suggested definitions could be thinking skills, mental processes that we apply when we try to make sense of experience or knowledge. Okay, so thinking skills, it's our mental processes. Okay, knowledge, facts, information acquired through experience or education. Practical skills, skills performed physically. Okay, so these are differences between thinking skills, knowledge, and practical skills. Okay, it's clear or not?
Yes.
Clear.
Yeah, okay. Here we have two different things we supposed to be doing. Here we have two different things we supposed to be doing. Okay, so we have 6 different headings and 6 different paragraphs. Again, we have 6 different headings and 6 different paragraphs. Okay, so these paragraphs aren't in correct order. Okay, these paragraphs are not in correct order. So I want you to put them in a correct order to make them logical. That's the first. And the second, the second thing, you need to do basically matching. Okay, so we want to match these headings with these paragraphs. That's the first. And then we should put them in correct orders. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Again, we have 6 different headings. Okay, we want to match these headings, okay, with these paragraphs, and then we want to put them in correct order. Okay, so please take a screenshot for these headings. Okay, and I will leave the paragraphs to match them. Okay, so first take a screenshot for these headings. Okay, have you finished? You took a screenshot or not? You have taken a screenshot or not?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
please match them with these paragraphs and then put them in correct order. We have 8 minutes and then the session will be expired and we will rejoin again. Okay, so we have only 8 minutes. Okay, and after we join again, okay, we will discuss this activity. Okay. Okay, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we have 8 minutes, and then the session will we all left the session after 8 minutes.
Excuse me, sir. Can
Yes.
all make mute, please?
Okay, okay, why not?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please write down your name in the chat box. Please write down your names in the chat box. Okay, let's start. Welcome back again. Let's start. Okay, so who can answer the first one? Who can answer the first one? Okay, who can answer the first one? Who can answer the first one? You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, who can answer the first one? What is the first heading? What's the first one for this paragraph? Okay, the letter of paragraph, first one. Yes? Anyone? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Please answer me. Is it difficult? No answer. Okay, so the first one will be introduction and context for topic. Introduction. The introduction and the context for topic. So that is the first paragraph. Introduction and the context for topic. The second one.
Maybe definition of thinking skills and examples.
Yes, it's a definition of thinking skills and examples. Yes, that's the second one. The third one. Yeah, answer. If it's try it, I will say yeah. If it's not, we will discuss with each other. So please answer me. Okay, the third one.
Third one, skill and thinking skills construct.
Yes, good job. Thank you so much. It's a skill and thinking skills contrasted. Yeah. The fourth. Four.
Identify types of thinking skills.
Yeah, who is speaking? Sines? What? Sines?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Identifying sets of thinking skills. That's the fourth one. Okay, the fifth.
Skills required for adult life.
Yeah, thank you. Skills required for adult life. Yes. And the last one, the need for thinking skills in education. Okay, so that's the correct order of the headings. Okay. Okay. Next, the CBD. Okay. I noticed that there is a problem related to sounds and phonemes and the division of sounds in English. So we will discuss some information about sound in English. Okay. So what is phoneme? What is the phoneme or the sound? Okay, who can read? Who can read?
Phoneme is the smallest unit of speech sound. Every language makes use of a limited number of each sounds or phoneme. English language has 44 sounds or phonemes in its sound system.
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, thank you. So we have 44 sounds or phonemes in English. Okay, or in phoneme sounds, phoneme systems. Okay, so we can divide these 44 sounds into 20 vowels and 24 consonant sounds. So these 44 sounds consists of 20 vowels, okay? 20 vowels sounds, okay? 20 vowel sounds. As we know, we have only 5 vowels letters, okay? 5 vowels letters, okay? But we have 20 vowel sounds, okay? So, and the 24 consonant sounds. So, are you surprised knowing about 20 vowels? Okay, 1 minute until I accept all the members. Okay, so are you surprised knowing about 20 vowels? Or you might have heard that there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and U. What are those 20 vowels? This can be a genuine question in your mind. So here is the answer for your questions. So the 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowel letters. And we get 20 vowel sounds from these 5 vowel letters. So the 20 vowels are further divided in 2 parts. Okay, so we have 20 vowels and the 24 consonants. So the 20 vowels are divided into 2 parts: monophthongs and diphthongs. 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Okay, monophthongs mean the single sounds. Okay? Mono means single. Okay, so monophthongs 12 and diphthongs are 8. So the 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs are 20 vowel sounds. Okay, so look at this diagram. Sounds of English are 44. Vowels 20, consonants 24. We can divide vowels into pure or single vowels, monophthongs, and
يا مستر بعد إذن حضرتك
yes.
يا مستر شوية عشان
In English, please. In English, please.
بالراحة شوية
راحة.
بالراحة شوية عشان نعرف نفهم، بس أصل حضرتك بتقولها على طول كده
Okay. Again.
عشان نعرف بس نركز مع حضرتك.
Again. This slide again. This slide again, or the summary of this slides. We have. I will explain here in this diagram. We have 44 sounds in English. Okay. We can divide these vowels. We can divide these vowels into 20 vowels sound. Okay. I talk about sound. Okay. And 24 consonant sound. Okay. As we know, we have 5 vowel letters, and these letters, or these 5 letters, okay, we can make 20 vowels or 20 sounds from these 5 letters. We can divide these vowels or these vowel sounds into single vowels, or what you might call monophthong, and diphthong that have double vowels. So we have 12 single vowels, or 12 monophthong, and 8 diphthong. Is it clear or not? You can repeat it again if you want.
Yes, it's clear.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, clear, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I will talk about monophthongs. Monophthongs are called pure vowels, as they have single sound, only one vowel sound in their pronunciation. Okay, so we can divide monophthongs into long vowels and short vowels. Okay, long vowels, 5 long vowels, and 7 short vowels. Okay, so these are symbols for long vowels with various examples to understand their pronunciation. We have 20 vowel sounds, monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs only 12. We can divide the 12 monophthongs into 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels. I will mute all. Okay, I'm sorry. So we have 5 long vowels. The monophthongs are divided into 5 long vowels and 7 short vowels. So here I will talk about the 5 long vowels and the symbols of them. Such as palm, calm, caught. Okay, the L sound is silent. Okay, we don't pronounce L here and here, calm, and the R sound, caught. Okay, we don't pronounce them. So R sound, as in cool, fool, food. Okay, O, as in cause, call, all. E, read, seat, we, as in air, earn, learn, turn. Okay, so these are the long vowels. Okay, 5 long vowels and their samples. Okay, this video will explain more about single vowels, okay, or monophthongs. Okay, so let's see it.
Mister, I can't hear the video.
أيوة أقول لك.
Yes?
I can't hear the video.
All of you can't hear the video?
Yeah, we
All of
can't
you?
hear it. Yes,
can't
yes,
hear
no.
There is no sound.
There is no sound?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, again. I will. Now, can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Not clear. Not clear.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, please mute yourself, please. All of you, mute yourself to hear it well. Alphabets. We normally think of there being 5 vowels. Hi, in this video. I'm Colin Monroe, and this is the English language. As I mentioned in a previous video, when we think about the alphabet, we normally think of there being 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. However, when it comes to pronunciation, there are many vowel sounds. And these sounds can be spelt in different ways, which can be a little inconsistent. This makes things difficult when learning English, especially as in many other languages, the vowels are pronounced more consistently with how they're spelt. So there are 12 sounds that we'll be looking at in this video, and they're the single vowels, or sometimes called monophthongs. The place of each symbol on the chart tells us something about how it's pronounced. Remember, pronunciation is physical, and as we go through these sounds, you need to think about these 3 questions. Is your mouth open, closed, or in the middle? What's the position of your tongue? And what shape are your lips? For the sound on the top row, the mouth is almost closed. E, I, oo, and oo. For the sound on the bottom row, the mouth is almost wide open. Ah, and O. For the sounds on the left, our tongue is near our front teeth. E, and A. But when we get to the right, our tongue is moved back. Ooh, O, and O. Let's look at some example words for each sound. E, as in me, these, me, and be. It, as in with, this, if, and think. Who, as in put, would, look, and woman. Who, as in to, you, new, and who. Do you see how the position on the chart relates to how where the sound comes from? On the second row, our mouth is now open a little bit more. As in get, when, well, and very. As in the, about, could, and us. As in her, work, learn, and word. Or, as in or, also, more, and call. Now, let's look at the bottom row, where our mouth should be almost wide open. As in have, that, as, and can.
as in but, up, one, and much. Are, as in start, ask, large, and after. Of, as in of, on, from, and not. So that's all the single vowels. Obviously there are a lot more examples, but the examples in this video are some of the most common words. The important thing to remember is that pronunciation is physical. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Check out the video description for links to our website where you can find free and premium material related to this video. You can also find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Skype. If you've got comments or questions, please get in touch. Hi, in this video.
Okay, now I will talk about diphthongs. A diphthong is a sound made by combining two vowels, specifically when it starts as one vowel sound and goes to another sound. Okay, so diphthong means two vowels. We start with a vowel sound and glide or shift to another sound. If we break the word diphthong, we get two parts and thong. That means two sounds. When we pronounce diphthong sound, there is a glide or shift from one sound to another sound. This glide from one sound to another makes one diphthong sound. So that's why diphthongs are known as impure or gliding vowels, because they have two vowels. Okay, so these are 8 diphthong sounds given below with various examples and the phonetic transcription for the words. Okay, I give some examples of the 8 diphthongs, such as a, eight, face, day, and break. Okay, oi, as in oil, boy, okay, as in boy, boil, choice, I, as in ice, my, price, and high. Okay, these are some examples of the diphthong sounds. Okay, so you can watch these videos to know more information about the diphthong. Okay, so let's watch.
Hi there. In this video, we're going to be looking at the diphthong sounds. I'm Colin Monroe, and this is the English Language Club. Diphthongs are the sounds represented by the symbols in red. There are 8 of them on the phonetic chart, and these are the main ones you need to know about. So, what is a diphthong? Well, a diphthong is a type of vowel sound that is made up of a combination of 2 single vowel sounds, but within the same syllable. Each column is arranged according to the second sound of the diphthong. In the first column, each sound ends with a sound. Ear, and air. In the second column, each sound ends with an E sound. A, oi, and I. And in the third column, each sound ends with a sound. O, and ow. But the key to pronunciation is physical, and the diphthongs are a combination of two sounds. So your mouth will change position as you say the sound. Let's look at the monophthongs again so you can see what I mean. First of all, let's look at ear. This is a combination of I and but it's pronounced within one syllable, ear. The main physical difference between the sounds on the top row and the sounds on the second row is that your mouth should be a little more open for the second row sounds. So as you say ear, your mouth should open a little bit, starting on the I and finishing on the ear. As in the words year, here, and really. Let's look at the next one. This is a combination of and Again, your mouth should open a little as you go from the first sound to the second sound, starting on the and finishing on the As in the words hour, power, and jewelry. Now we have a combination of and air. This time both the vowels are on the same row, so the mouth open or close. The main difference shape of our lips and the origin of our sound in our throat, starting on the and finishing on the air. As in the words there, where, and parent. Moving on to the second column, now each sound ends with the vowel sound I or E, because sometimes it is the longer E sound. In reality, it's kind of somewhere in between the two, it just depends on the word. When we say the diphthong sounds in isolation, we normally use the longer form. A, boy, and I. The first sound is A, which is a combination of and I, or E. This time we need to close our mouths a little as we say the sound, starting on the and finishing on the I or E, A. As in the words they, say, and make. The next sound is oi. This is a combination of O and I or E. They're on different rows again, but the shape of our lips and the position of our tongue also change a lot because we're going from the right all the way to the left, going from rounded lips to unrounded, starting on the O and finishing on the E, oi. As in the words point, boy, and oil. The next sound is I, which is a combination of R and I or E. Now we're going from the bottom row to the top. So our mouths start wide open and closes as we say the sound. I, starting on the R and finishing on the E, I. As in the words I, buy, and time. The next sound is O. This is a combination of and or oo. The main difference here is the shape of the lips, rounding a little as we say the sound. O. starting on the and finishing on the O. As in the words go, no, and only. The next sound is ow. This is a connection of a and or oo. Now our mouth is closing and the shape of the lips is changing at the same time, rounding a little as we say the sound. Ow. Starting on the a and finishing on the or oo. Ow. As in the words out, how, and down. So that's all the diphthong sounds. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or comments, check out the video description. For links to our websites, where you can find free and premium material related to pronunciation and diphthongs. You can also find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Skype. Thanks for watching.
Okay. Now I'm gonna move to semi-vowels. Okay. Okay, so watch this video to know more about semi-vowels, about the wah sound and yah sound. Okay, so watch this video.
Hello everybody, how are you doing? In this video we are going to learn about the semi-vowels, and specifically we are going to talk about the letter Y. We learned that the W and the Y are consonants, but sometimes they are similar to the vowels, so we call them the semi-vowels. A semi-vowel is a speech sound intermediate between a vowel and a consonant. The Y is a consonant when it comes at the beginning of the word, and its sound is ya. For example, ya, ya, yes, ya, ya, year, ya, ya, yard, ya, ya, you, ya, ya, youth. We have letter Y here. It comes at the beginning of the word, and here its sound is ya, and it is a consonant. The Y is a vowel. It comes at the end of the word, and it has two sounds, E or I. If the word is one syllable, the Y sound is I. For example, mine, cry, buy, why, dry, try, fly, shy. Again, if the word is one syllable, the Y sound is I. My, cry, buy. And if the word is more than one syllable and Y comes at the end, the Y sound is E. See, li, ha, fa, ni, they, be, ri, ti, ti, ki, sa, ni. Again, if the word is more than one syllable and the Y sound is E. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Okay, these are the semi-vowels. Now I'm gonna move to the Google Classroom task. Okay, I want to look at the task again and prepare the answers. You have 1 minute. Okay. Okay, who can answer the first one? Who can answer the first one?
Yes, Mr.
Who's speaking? Who's speaking? Who's speaking? Yes? Okay. Who can answer?
Number one B.
Where are the consonants?
Where are the
B?
consonants? Not
On the bottom half of the chart.
yeah, letter B on the bottom half of the chart. Okay.
Yeah,
Number
Miss Aman.
okay, yes, Miss Amani. Number 2, who can answer? Where is Miss Ghada? Miss Ghada. Yes. Who can answer? Miss Ines?
Yes. Number 2. I
Sorry,
answered
I
this.
have bad connection today.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, Miss Ghada. Can you answer the second question?
Okay, I think it's more 15, but
Yes.
I answered it 15.
Yes.
15
That's
consonants.
right. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. That's the correct answer. Okay.
They are more 15.
Yes, they are 17 sound. Okay, but he gave us 2 sound.
17. Yes.
And the da.
Okay.
And the da. So, okay, the other or the last phonemes.
They are 15.
Yeah, the rest of phonemes are 15. Okay. Okay, number 3. Number 3. What sound does the word chair begin? Chair begin. Yes.
Ch. Number B.
Sound number B. Yeah.
Number
Okay.
B.
And the last question.
Yeah,
Okay.
number
C?
C.
Number C.
C.
Yeah, number C. Number C. Is it ja or ya?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the ya sound, as in university. Yeah, as in uniform. Okay, that's ya. Okay. Okay. So that's the end of our session today. Thank you so much.
Please, mister.
Yes.
Mr. Sir.
Any question? Any question?
Yes.
Please, could you share the videos?
Okay, sir. I recorded the video. I recorded the session, and I will upload them in Google Classroom and the WhatsApp group, inshallah.
Okay, but we need the original video.
The original video. Okay, why not? Okay, I will upload them in WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are welcome, sir.
Thank you,
Please,
Mr.
mister.
Yes, we only have less than 1 minute. Okay,
It's number 2. I didn't hear it.
15 sound. All the sounds 17. All the sounds 17. He give us
Can you
yes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so these are 17